So a lot of people are confused about this shock drop from the Nike sneakers app, and I'm here to tell you, man, your boy was confused too. I don't know what's going on with this shock drop right here, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, your boy truly appreciates you guys coming in and day out, supporting your boy, see what I'm talking about. And today, like I said, we're gonna unbox some sneakers from the Nike sneakers app that I hit on via shock drop. And if you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, and everybody right now, man, do me a quick little favor and spam the like button on today's video. And if I have any supporters or subscribers that is watching today's video and you are into fragrances and colognes, over on JomaShop right now, they have a sale on all their Creed colognes and fragrances for up to 65% off. And me myself, man, I've been going crazy on the Creed colognes and I've been paying almost full price for all of mine. And now they have a sale for up to 65% off, which is crazy. I wish I would have waited, but now I'm letting you guys know that you can get your Creed right now on JomaShop for 65% off. You guys know we got the Millicent Imperial, we got that green Irish tweed. We also have the vintage cologne and the vintage from Creed, man. So go check out JomaShop. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. And you can also use the code WOW10 to save an extra 10% off. So that's up to 75% off your purchase for Creed over on JomaShop, man. Use my link down below in the description box, ASAP Rocky. All right, man, let's go ahead and get into today's package, man. You guys know the last couple of weeks, everybody been talking about shock drop this, shock drop that. And the shock drop, like I said, a lot of people were not expecting was this one right here. Everybody wanted something else, but we got these. I might be telling it already, but I do want to give you guys an early look at some upcoming heat from Jordan Brand. So let's go ahead and get into it, bruh. Let's go ahead and get it. This is the easy, you know what I'm saying, box open. You don't need the knife, the Rambo knife to get into these. Super seamless. So let's go ahead and check out what Nike sent over to your boy. And before we do, did you hit that like button yet, man? All right, enough of that, man. Let's go ahead and check these things out. Let's see what they sent over, bro. Let's see what they sent over, man. I ain't gonna judge these too early, you know what I'm saying, prematurely. Let's go ahead and give them a fair shot, check them out real quick, man, and see what we have, man, and bam. Check out the box, bro. Go ahead and check out the box. You do have the gold Nike up top. You also have some gold branding all around the box. So the box is A1. I ain't gonna lie, the box is A1. You can wear the box. I know a lot of people would gravitate straight to this one right here. But enough talking. The official colorway reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG white metallic gold, and I got these in the size 11 in women, which is size 9.5 in men. And I was a little bit, you know what I'm saying, skeptical on keeping these for myself, but first I gotta see what they're hitting for. But like I said, man, a lot of people didn't want this shock drop right here. Everybody was raving for the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined, which you guys see behind me right there. And they shock dropped these instead, which is crazy, man. So let's go ahead and check them out. Give these things a fair assessment, a fair judgment, and see what they hitting for, bro. Go ahead and pull it open. Got some dope gold Jumpmans on the tissue paper, and yeah, let's check them out, bro. Let's go ahead and check them out, and bam, man, check these guys out right here. The Air Jordan 1 metallic gold women's exclusive, bro. So let's go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box. And I do want to say, first things first, I literally thought this was a gold outsole, but this is like a gum bottom on the bottom of these outsole, which is crazy, bro. I didn't expect that. I thought it was gonna be all gold hits like you do get on a Nike swoosh, the wings logo and the heel, and it's literally a gum bottom, which is pretty unique if you ask me, bro. And then on the tongue, you also get this little accessory right here, another accessory piece. Got the Nike Air little charm pendant, which is pretty cool. I ain't never seen nothing be added like this to a pair of Air Jordan 1s. And the leather quality is crazy on these guys, bro. I'm telling y'all, leather quality is ridiculous. And I've been saying it for quite some time, man. Nike always going in on the leather quality, the details and all that for women's exclusive Jordans. I don't know what it is about that, but I do feel like they show a little bit of favoritism to the women. I'll be sure to hit you guys with a lot of B-roll over these Air Jordan 1 metallic gold. So I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I am kind of leaning back towards my first, you know what I'm saying, judgment of the sneaker. I said, you know what, I'm not even gonna grab it. I'm not even gonna test it. But when I did see the exclusive access pop up and I seen multiple sizes sitting for a long period of time, I said, you know what, I gotta snag them, see what they're hitting for, and see exactly what Jordan Brand has to offer us. And if you do fit into that extended sizing for the women's sizing, you can snag these things right here. I'm gonna go ahead and check the sneakers app real quick just to see, you know, exactly when these release. I feel like it's tomorrow if I'm not mistaken, but Definitely a shoe that went under the radar. Just not a lot of people been showing a lot of love to the Jordan 1s, regardless if it's women's exclusive, men's. It don't really matter. Even if it's an OG, nobody really cares. But if it has a Travis Scott logo, off-white, you know what I'm saying, tag hanging off of it, then everybody gonna be flocking. But for these right here, sadly, they're gonna be hitting outlets. They're gonna be going on sale for a very, very cheap price. But nonetheless, man, like I said, let's go ahead and check out the official release date for these Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive joints. So I have any women that's watching today's video and you are into these, or even my men's supporters, man, let me know if you're gonna be snagging them. If I was a huge fan of them, I would have kept them. But as far as, you know what I'm saying, me styling, me rocking it, any type of occasion, any day, when I wear these Air Jordan 1s right here. And I've been telling y'all, bro, I'm trying to lay back on the copping. I'm trying to get things that I truly, truly like, things that I truly enjoy, things I know I will wear eventually. But hey, all them Jordan 1s behind me, I'm probably never gonna run to these metallic golds. So I got the release date right here. It will be dropping February 14th, which is on Valentine's. You guys see it says purchase right there, and they are retailing for 180 bones. I think these did come with some extra laces as well. Yes, they do come with some extra gold laces. That is pretty cool. So if I did want to keep these sneakers, I definitely would take the laces out and throw in another Jordan 1 I feel like will go well with gold laces. But like I said, expect the gold laces, expect a little, you know, pendant, little charm right here on the sneaker. And now overall, like metallic-y gold all around a Jordan 1. Like I said, man, nobody wanted these to shock drop. They only wanted the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined. Hey, which we do have right here, man. Check these beauties out. This is definitely a double up for a lot of people out there. And everybody keep asking me when the on feet coming. Just trust me, it's coming soon, if you know what I mean. But literally 3 days after this release right here, the metallic gold Air Jordan 1s, we'll be getting these Air Jordan 4 Brand things. And these things, man, I'm telling y'all, these things right here, pressure. And I'm telling y'all right now, man, don't sleep, put in your leg work, put in your raffles, and all that good stuff, so you can secure a pair. You don't want to regret it later, I'm telling y'all. So like I said, man, cool box, cool presentation, cool extra charm, cool laces. But for me, it's probably gonna be a cop for your boy, but I will be giving you guys, you know what I'm saying, this nice little first early look on this video. And please, if I have anybody that is interested in them, man, please go ahead and comment it down below in the comment section. Subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please give a huge like on today's video, man. Again, man, make sure you guys check out the Creed sale over on JomaShop ASAP Rocky, up to 65% off. If you use the code WILD10, get an extra 10% off. I'm gonna leave that link down below in the description box, man. I'm telling y'all, bruh, don't sleep. You wanna get your grown man on, you wanna get your grown woman on with some nice expensive fragrances for a huge, huge deal right now. Go check that link. Go check out JomaShop and go ahead and get right. And all that being said, man, again, I appreciate all of the support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.